Good morning, YouTube. Welcome in. See if we can't find some good setups today. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments, chat. Good morning.
All right, let's get it, y'all.
What's up, everyone? Welcome in. Glad you all are here. See if we can catch something. Nice trade. If you have any setups you're watching, let me know in chat.
Whoops.
Can everyone hear me well on YouTube?
There we go. Screen share is live, baby. My apologies. There we go.
Nice. I was watching this previous day close area, everyone, for reject. My goodness, what a candle. A little bit higher for reject.
Just gotta stay patient today. Got anything on watch, Crazy Clock?
I was going to rip some shorts up there if they pushed a little higher, but we didn't quite get to where I wanted. I might have missed it. I was going to try some at 21,880, but we didn't quite get there.
Good luck to everybody. Got NASDAQ pushing up. We got SPY.
What's NVIDIA at? I haven't looked at NVIDIA in a
Lagging.
while.
A little interesting. One of them's lying.
Wow. NVIDIA's pumping. What's up, YouTube?
Pacers last night. Love to see the underdog.
Should have taken the bet.
I told you that was gonna happen, Biggie. Tried to warn you, bro. I don't sports bet, otherwise it would have went the opposite way. Whenever I don't have money on the line, oh, I'm great.
That's how I am. The only time I really win money with sports is during college football.
You're pretty nice with it, bro.
I feel like NFL is just too unpredictable anymore. House wins. On children's sports, I don't think college football is children's sports. Go let them hit you a little bit. See ya. Feels like a child hitting you.
Let's see.
I agree, Corey. Much better to watch.
Source. Just gonna stay patient today. Hopefully just get mega dunked today. Will we? Not entirely sure. But it would be nice. It would be nice. I'll have to trade some downside setups today. Just focusing on trading, chat.
Good morning, YouTube. I'm just looking for some trades for us. Very focused. This market has
4 hour dub.
been a little different.
I'll give them that. This 4 hour closes at around 800 with the increasing volume on that pin bar up. Stay patient and find ourselves a winner.
What happens if I'm looking for it doesn't happen in trading? I just don't take a trade. We come back tomorrow and try again. I have to check it out, Chris. I have not. We reject. It's either going to be right here or it's going to be up at the 21,900 area. I'm not in a trade yet. I'll let you all know if I do. Let me look and see if we got any data. Let me check that out for you. I don't see any more today. We had the 8:30, the early morning data, but I don't see any more. That 880. That 880 smacked. I didn't take it, but
What smack?
the 21 880. I was watching for a reject. I was a little hesitant because we pumped up so close before selling off.
880. Pumping today too.
I don't like when we push up close to my reject, sell off, then push back up.
We need to find entry in a safe and patient way.
Good morning. Welcome in, everyone.
Whoops. 67. I worded that wrong. I'm just staying patient. I have no trades in the first 15 minutes. I have no. We are breaking a pre-market high, so that's something to watch. So, yeah, okay.
No, I don't, Honda. Do not. Are you still on vacation with?
Come on, market. The NASDAQ pushing up. S&P is slowly starting to trail it. I'm just gonna wait, see what they give us. I'm gonna have to move this.
I don't like it. I don't like longs here, everyone.
Next 2 minutes.
I gotta drop the new update for the trend on Grisology, but we could pump up, but that 21,900 could be some solid resistance.
Brandon, that better not be calling me.
I should star 67 J down while he's trading here.
Well, trading is just patience. You're gonna have to move that wick up. There we go. Got a 15-minute range set. potential setup I see right
Any
now.
questions you have, YouTube,
So I
drop in
think
chat.
it ranges the bounce between 67 and down to 50. So here 29. Probably not this high for me, but if we come down here, we'll see.
Greg, where is Greg? That is a good question. He has to work, so he can't join trading today.
Yeah, I didn't take any off that swing. For me, it opened up 10-15% in profit, but with how much I'm risking, it wouldn't make sense to take profit there. So I either lose my 50-75%, even if I lost 100%.
YouTube, I got an ideal.
Swing that's not
And
aggressive move,
let's hear the feedback.
something I kind of planned for.
One thing I've noticed of a morning, the high volume candle is typically where the move comes. So that's what I'm looking for. Looking for that morning, the high volume candle here for a possible reversal or continuation. So in this market, you know, we've been seeing a lot of the same pattern, like the triangle pattern. You know, we just kind of chop back and forth. So I've did some back testing, and the high volume candle on the 5 minute tends to be where the move comes. Thoughts on that?
That's just how I think about it personally.
Ryan, it's gonna be solid. I want to make sure I get it. I don't want to give you any false information, so I'm just gonna drop it with the information with it. Okay. No, it's been happening around this time, Honda. Maybe a little later, by 10:30 typically.
So if you had the right idea, that pre-market high bounce, huh? Just too early for me. Too early for me.
Oh, nice, Steve. I use volume in one of my strategies, the automated ones, and it's got the 1.3 times for one of the confirmations. So nice.
Kind of 0 or 0, especially when you're fighting the trend.
So if you're just wanting to start long-term investing, Simon, I just recommend boring stuff, or just use, you know, like find you someone local to help you invest, like a company, or you know, Robinhood has a new feature where they invest for you, so that'd be an option as well. Typically for long-term, the boring stuff is what does the best over time. So. Real quick, everyone. See the thumbs up at the top? It's at 30 right now. Let's get it to 100 just real quick. Plenty of people in here to do it. We'll be done with it after that. Yes, that's a great one.
Mr. Green, I have you divorced a while ago too. Let's try it again. If you want to hop in. If you want to come in, you're on a heater with the longs, so you're welcome to come on voice.
Good morning, T-Mobile Trading. Green Eyes here live. How's everyone doing today?
What's up, dog?
Doing good, thank you. So I wasn't paying attention. I didn't notice that you had added me.
Your name isn't Green Eyes anymore. Name is Long Eyes. You crushing it with them longs.
The imposter caught me. I'm Long Eyes now. Yeah, we've had a great move up today. This 880 level's quite strong. As mentioned, I wouldn't be surprised if we do take a bit of a dip before going back up. But I'll be patient and not rush into any trades. Unless, of course, you're already 30 points in profit with me, then you just enjoy it.
Lee. 1 second, everyone. YouTube, I'm watching this price action here. Watching closely, my friends.
Let's see here.
Started some shorts, everyone. MNQ shorts. My position size is, my stop loss rather is above that 21,900, so I'm positioned for that.
I see you there, Grizz. I see you.
No trades for me yet. I don't have till 8:30 today. I have 40 more minutes today. It's gonna be a little shorter day for me.
About that right back up. Let's see. My average is 21,875.
Alex and the earlier team, what you saw in taking the orb so far? You got the 5-minute close, but you didn't get the wick down and move up. If anything, I would, if I was trying longs for the, well, even right now you're below the level, so it'd be tough. But if you try it above, you're stopping people up below 869. Or if you try it on the initial
Don't
close,
you do it.
keep stops below that candle, so your stop would be 864 at that point. Neither of which you would have gotten stopped out on.
This is the only area I like, everyone. If this don't smack, I don't know. Just have to come back tomorrow.
I'm not in either. Just saying. Probably I trade the orb at least. Maybe you trade differently.
21,875 is my average. I do not plan on adding any more to it. So I'm in shorts, correct. See if we can get a push down here, everyone.
I want it to nuke downwards for you, Grizzly.
This is the only setup I like today, so see if we can get something out of it.
All right, I'm closing up my longs here.
We're in 10 points in profit, everyone, if you have the same average as me. If it rips up and stops us out, I'm blaming Jaden.
It's looking a bit so far.
Alright, those shorts look good, Grizzly. I'm gonna join you on those.
Alright, I took a trim, everyone, and hit my trim.
Good job, Grizzly. Let's go, Grizzly.
There we go. We had a good entry on that. Be sure you're trimming
Good job, bro.
and make sure you move your stop loss. You don't want to. Don't matter what happens here. This should be a nice winning trade for you. So
Well done, Grizz.
thank you.
Nice job, dog. Nice job, dog.
Nice.
Went on and touched that midline to a T. Look at that on the screen share.
Yeah, I had a late entry, but I still caught 5 inch shorts with you there.
I got my stop loss at entry, everyone. I gotta check something out. Be right back, YouTube. My dog's doing something. Gotta check. Bro was suspicious. He was into something.
Nice job, Grizzly Glout.
Appreciate it, man.
Love seeing you win, man. Love seeing all friends win. Hopefully you can get more out of it.
Yeah, Harold, I trimmed at 20 points profit.
Nope, nothing.
What was it? I didn't hear you there.
I was asking what your entry around 76.
75 was my average. $8.75 is my average. We don't have any news at 10 a.m. or do we? I don't see any in the news and events. I'm hoping this will be your high volume reversal candle here so we can get the move on down, everyone. That's what I was looking for this morning.
Nice job, bro.
This might be it.
So good for Grizzly.
Is anybody making some money this morning with me? Anybody?
Show our man, the myth, the legend, Grizzly some love, baby. Come on. Got 900 in the chat. 3K, 900 W's. 940. For Nick.
That is awesome, Chris. Chris here in YouTube passed his first
W's 550.
take profit eval. That's amazing. Happy for you.
3K, 500.
Gets me pumped.
Killing it. Hopefully you can get more.
Remember, YouTube, if you want to try funded accounts, go to grizzlytrades.com. Check out Take Profit, use code Grizzly. It's one of the best. If you don't like them, check out Apex or the other ones I have there.
I got the glasses on today. What that means.
It may come up and hit my stop loss, everyone. I'll let you know when it does on the remainder of my position. Or you can just watch it 8.75. That's where I'm going to stop. How much did I make? No, Brian. I didn't make 50K. I only had 10 or 7 MNQ. This market has required lighter size for sure. Still in, everyone. I'd like to see the continuation down here. We had the volume on that previous candle. Some buyers did pull it back up. You can see the wick, but
Yeah, but the wick's small compared to the candle body.
yeah.
I'm not personally in it, but I hope it prints for you. You can see it.
My price target would be VWAP would be my next price target, but ideally we get all the way down to previous day low, then pre-market low, which is a long ways off. Come on, don't stop me out before you make the move.
ES is looking a lot stronger here.
Yeah, we caught a nice winning trade, Arthur. We took some shorts. We trimmed once. We're trying to let it play out now. It almost stopped me out at my entry on the remainder of my position, but I'm still in.
So I'm drinking the Guru water, the Mountain Valley spring water.
This works.
Best spring water.
I think I may have
Only way to do it.
a nice strategy we can use for this market. Come on, push down.
Push down for him. Come on.
Do it. 21,824 is where we trim next. 21,824 next trim
Nice
spot.
job. We got Spy and Q. Spy's a little stronger than Q. See, there's Spy's leading the way. Q showing us we want more downside.
I think SPX is going for yesterday's close at 6024.
That's an interesting candle there.
Yeah, it's a wild reversal. That really put you in the profit there for a moment. I'm tempted to go long here, just don't want to fade you.
Do it, man.
Do it.
The volume's still telling me we're going down, though. But do as you please, bro. What type of trader am I? I don't know. I just rip some NQ occasionally with UO. What would you call that? The muscle? It's doing a little better, Honda. It was a bad injury. It's gonna take some time, but
Still watching.
it could go either way here, YouTube. The volume looked like it wanted more downside.
Half size longs here at 58. Half size longs at 58. Looking to add above 68. I want to go straight up to 21,900.
I hope it prints for Green Eyes. I already made some money, so I just want Green Eyes to win now.
I'm adding here at 70. Oh, holy, we just spiked.
Nice entry. You didn't have no drawdown there, did you?
1 point of drawdown was an intense spike.
Holy shit.
Okay, I'm keeping the first trim at 97 right now. Moving my stops up
Respected the
instantly.
middle line, respected that area, the 1561.8.
A news candle.
My stops are in at 88. We have 3 trim lines to the downside. The small size here. Still like to push up above 900.
You know it, Mike. Nice trade, everyone. We made some money.
Long legs.
It could still reject, everyone. We are getting quite a bit of volume on this.
That was a pretty sad dad joke.
But-
That was good. That was quick. That was good.
Wait a second, I missed it. What was the joke? Tell me.
I said, nice job. Long Ice said, thanks, long legs.
Oh, yeah. That is a good one.
Okay, I'm gonna stop my longs there at 90 for my entry at 58. That was sufficient. That was a good profit right there. I don't need to trail it and hold it. I'll just take that. Sorry for giving you a bit of a fade there, Grizz. I thought you had about 20 points of profit already. We both made money on that. That was good.
That's a nice trade. I keep hearing noise in my living room. I'm thinking it's like it's my dog in there doing something crazy. But it wasn't. It was my turtle. It's going wild.
Your turtle?
Yeah, you can hear it and they're like slinging rocks and stuff. I don't know what it's doing.
That's awesome.
That's crazy.
I say mine. They're my oldest daughters.
You ever had turtle soup before?
Turtle soup?
Quite popular in Mexico.
I don't think I've had that.
Obviously, it's illegal, but it's good when you have a very serious cold. Nice concentrated broth. Or shark fin soup works really good too.
I'm not going to eat the turtle.
Alright, yeah, my trade is all closed. In case anyone missed that. How long is it closed for me? I do see a good bounce level down by the 838.
That is just one crazy reversal candle.
I'm gonna move back down and then try and longs on the way up. That's my main watch right now.
And it looks like SPX just reached yesterday's close, as I mentioned 5 minutes ago, at 6024. So that worked out really well for anyone that was long. Probably Savage.
What's up, everyone? Sorry if I missed your question, Leon. I was talking to Team Bowen
looking at our daily candle here, we're looking quite good. Tons of buyers in the daily candle. Another 100 points to the upside at least.
Surprised me if we get above this.
It drops us. Well,
On the baby size of longs, if we touch 90.
To me, I mean, just looking at this, we're still in supply here.
We'll add once more,
We're still in supply, so I can't go long. It just doesn't match my trading plan.
and then stop.
Other people have different trading styles, so you know they can take trades. But me personally, what works for me, I can't. So. Let me see. I'm gonna find Leon's question. I just don't see it on here. I don't guess it's showing up for me.
See if we can keep moving up. Gotta break 900 if we are. Come on. There we go. 15 points so far, guys.
Good thing though, my orb strategy may trigger today.
If we get to 910, we'll be at solid 1-to-1. Yes, manage how you see fit. You can manage how you see fit.
How does a turtle sling rocks? Well, it has rocks in the bottom
I
and
would
it's
like
like
to
digs
see
around.
at least 910 to make my R multiple positive.
Leon, that's not even the worst part. After the hawk, the hawk, owl got in recently and like broke into a metal cage and ate them. Some of them. It got trapped. The owl was trapped in the
So
cage.
far, so good in that entry.
I got a picture of
So
it.
then keep pushing up to 910. If you're trading micros, you can trim a few off when you closer to 910 and then let the rest ride. Get your stops up, trim the rest off. Not trim the rest off. Let the rest ride. Trim a few. The 1 hour plus. We'd like to see the rest run up. At 909.
Beautiful, bro. That was a great entry.
Thank you, man.
Yeah, I FaceTime Medman when it happened. It was
I'm
wild.
gonna take a third off here. 6, just to be safe. Third off here. I'll stop up just a little.
Well,
I'd like
YouTube,
to see us tap 910 and above.
if I take another trade, I will post inside the Bears Den on Instagram. I'm watching for the orb strategy, the automated orb strategy to confirm. We caught a nice winning trade. We had a good entry.
Come on.
Managed it well. It came back out, hit our entry.
There we go, guys. There we go. Ready to take your first trim, everybody.
I have Quell, Chris.
Take your first trim, everybody.
Nice trade, Jada.
Thank you, man. Trail those stops up, too. Appreciate you, bro. Trail those stops up, guys. Now to break even after you take your first R multiple trim. Trail those stops up to break even, everybody. Let's see if we can let the rest ride in the live.
All right, everyone. Have a good rest of your day. I may go live tomorrow as well. Have to see what I got going on with the fam.
Yes, sir. We're moving.
But
Let's go. That's what I'm talking about.
peace, everyone.